Good morning, everybody. It is 7:46. Woke up at 7. I got dressed because my garage sale starts at 9. I'm gonna see if my mom can cut my hair real quick because it's wet. So she's just getting ready to go. I got a new shirt that I got at Kohl's yesterday. I'm not a floral person. I hate flowers. Like, I'd rather have Graham give me something else than flowers. But I'm starting to open up and get colors that I don't wear and stuff that I don't wear. So I think it looks really cool. So liking that. I'm gonna do, I should have showed you guys this is my Kohl's haul, but I did get a bunch of stuff on clearance, you guys, yesterday at Kohl's, where I got some stuff for like 50 cents. So I'm gonna do like a little clearance Kohl's haul for you guys, probably film it today, and then you guys will probably see it before I post this video if I get a chance. But yeah, I'm like actually prepared for the garage sale today. I'm so excited. Usually I'm like last minute. We'll see how many people line up at the door. I gotta
somebody put these in a box because I watched someone's spot. There were no more, and I was standing up on the stairs. I saw them up
yeah,
top.
this is stuff that I got for him like years ago. They're like 10 cents. But we'll see how many people like line up at my door, because there's some people that are crazy. One girl messaged me. She's one who's fallen through on holds all the time, or she's bought stuff from me like the last like 5 times I've had a garage sale, but the last time she didn't show up. She was a no-show. She wanted me to hold something. Cool, walrus.
And I got another walrus.
That's cool. Yeah, so looking forward to that. So I'm having 2 different times today. I'm having 9 to noon. She's getting dressed. I have 9 to noon, and then I'm doing 4 to 7. Just because we're letting people get some stuff in the morning, and then we're letting the people get it in the afternoon when they get done with work. And then Graham's parents will be over to take Graham for a walk later today while the garage sale is, because, did I say Graham? Sorry, Ben. They're going to take Ben out for a walk because he keeps constantly bothering us during the garage sale. So that's going on. My mom's going to watch Charlotte. I don't know what you did with them, honey. I don't know what you do with them. But that is what's going on right now. I'm hoping to have a very successful day. I'm going to make a jewel order. I know one of you guys messaged me about a jewel cup. So if you guys do want anything, I'm going to make an order Sunday on jewels. So if you guys need anything, if you want me to make you a jeweled cup, you please let me know, because I'm going to order jewels. Otherwise, you can always wait to see what I make, and I'll probably make another order too. So,
Mama, well, we want this one.
You really want that? Yeah, I know. I want to see a tie-dyed one too.
I'll open it.
Okay, just wait, honey. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna go upstairs, get my little cover-up thing, and then I forgot something else upstairs. Miss Charlotte is still sleeping. She's on night 2 of sleeping all night long, all night long. So that's what's going on. I will catch you guys back in a little bit. Let's have a good day. So it's like 10 o'clock pretty much, right on, a little past 10. I had tons of people show up right away. Like, I opened my garage door and they all came in. Like 4 or 5 people were actually people that shopped at my store. They were asking me, like, they were waiting for me to post the sale, because like they know I'm gonna have that stuff. One lady, she's a repeater, she didn't believe me. Like, I have everything in my head of what I'm adding up. So her total came to like $54. And she's like taking everything out of the box and re-adding it in her head. And then she's like, can you recount it? And I'm like, yeah, sure. And it was like the same $54. And she just didn't believe me that it was $54. And I'm like, you know, I'm adding everything correctly. I know my prices to a T. You know, but it's just like she's second guessing me on everything, and it's just like, oh my gosh, lady, just be happy with everything that you got, because they took all my Tide stuff that I had. So it's like, just be happy with what you got. You know, I mean, you're getting a steal. $54 for probably $150 is a pretty good deal, you know. But other than that, I am selling a lot of the personal care stuff. I'm selling a ton of dollar stuff, which is awesome. But, you know, it's kind of dead. This is my first break I've had. I think somebody's coming. But this is my first break that I've had in the hour. Usually it's constantly busy, but it is gorgeous weather. Yep, somebody's here. Maybe not. Never mind, they just drove past my house. But yeah, this is the first time it's like gorgeous weather. It's not hot, it's not humid, it's perfect. So, loving it. I feel like I want to start I think I'm gonna jewel while I'm waiting, because that's awesome. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make another cup for Jules. You know, I just gotta cut something out with my Cricut machine real quick if I'm gonna cut with the Jules. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because there's nothing here. I've been just facing some stuff I might mark down just to get rid of it. Like I was selling these Almay wipes for $2, but hardly, some people have taken them, but if they don't sell very well in like another hour or two, depending on what's going on, for my second sale this afternoon, I'm probably going to mark it down. But a lot of my dollar stuff's just going away. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So I'll catch you guys back. Hey you guys, so Graham's coworkers just came over here and it is now 3:33. I just opened my garage sale now, but the sun is shining and it is raining like crazy right now. Like, what? It sounds like it's hailing, but it's just crazy. My neighbor's mowing their yard in the rain. Why not? Why not? So I had to bring everything in. But the sun is shining, it's so crazy. I hear Ben coming, I hear Ben somewhere outside. But yeah, so I've been doing okay. I'm still not selling a lot of stuff, so we will see what happens. I'll be open for the next 3 hours tonight. I think I'm gonna lower some prices, maybe. Otherwise, oh, now it stopped. It stopped raining. But I don't know, last time, my feminine products just flew off the shelf. I'm selling all that stuff for like $1. My makeup, it's been selling. Shampoo and conditioner, it's been selling. But definitely tomorrow, whatever I don't sell, or whatever I don't sell today, I'm probably gonna mark down to $1 tomorrow. My makeup wipes are $2. Nobody's even touched those. I'm gonna probably change those to $1 right now. But yeah, it's getting there, you guys. It's getting there. So we will see. And then whatever we don't sell, I'll pack up. I'll donate some and then we'll do that. But I didn't get a chance to do my cup right now because I'm actually in the middle of ordering some jewels. So I gotta figure that stuff out right now. But I will catch back you guys in a little bit. So it is now, I feel like I've been in the garage all day. It is now 6:10. I have another hour left for my sale tonight. And I'm gonna start taking pictures for tomorrow to let people know. I'm gonna delete my post that I posted last night and have a new fresh post so it shows up in everybody's feed, and then I'm gonna take new photos, and then I'm also gonna write prices reduced because I've noticed that a lot of people come during the sale and then they'll come back again because they know I'll knock some stuff down. So that is what's going on. I have been selling a lot of stuff. Like, I had a lot of this stuff like completely full. We actually kind of emptied a table over there, so now there's just a box. But I've been selling dollar items like there's no tomorrow. I do have a mask, but I haven't been wearing it. But I've been like hand sanitizing my hands like every time I touch like the money and everything. But I have been selling quite a lot of stuff. Mouthwash, I barely even put a dent in it. Because Grandma always says to sell it for $2, and so I sent it. I'm like, I should try this. It has fluoride in it. I just marked it down to $1 because to see if it's sold, and then once I marked it down to $1, I saw more people buying it. So I gotta wait a little bit. My lotion has been selling like crazy. I had the whole thing full. It's been selling. My shaving cream hardly has sold at all. I have it for $1. This was a bunch of like perfumes and then the specialty spray deodorant and stuff. Those were all $2. That's been selling pretty well. I only have Lady Speed Stick deodorant left. It's kind of sad, but I barely had any deodorant. But I've sold about half of my toothpaste, you guys. Like, I have so much toothpaste. It's ridiculous. But I still have a huge stockpile in my bathroom of my stuff. So that's fine. This stuff, if it doesn't go away, totally fine. Now one thing, if you guys do have a garage sale, make sure you check your dates. I check dates on everything for certain reasons. My feminine products haven't hardly even been selling. For $1, last time they sold off the shelves like crazy, but that's okay. The makeup, the mascara always sells the best, you guys. Like, I have tons of lipstick. That stuff sells really well. The mascara is I mean, if you guys saw, I had this whole thing completely full. This must have been a sample or something I got. But this was completely full, and all I have left is 5 mascaras left. The blushes did pretty good. The nail polishes, they're doing okay. I did sell a lot of eyeshadow, but still, you know, taking a bite. Now, I did mark my makeup wipes to $1. Now I know to sell them for $1 because hardly anybody took a bite at them. I'm going to probably sell these for 50 cents or something like that, or 4 for $1. And then the concealer's been doing pretty good. I sold one thing of hair dye. Hair dye never sells. Cleaning products, I've been doing pretty good with that. Toothbrushes, I mean, all I got left is Hello Kitty and Justin Bieber. Yes. So all my normal toothbrushes pretty much sold. This is all I have left of Suave. Whatever I don't sell as Suave, I'm pretty much going to donate it. The body wash, it's $3. I most likely will mark this down to $2 for tomorrow, just to see what sells. But I think $3 is a good price, you guys, because I had a whole one of these completely full of body wash. Plus I had a couple sitting out here, and this is all I got of the $3 body wash. So I think that's a pretty good deal. The razors, this is all I have for razors. Still going to keep it at $2. So I think it's a pretty good price. I got rid of a lot of stuff. The Purex doesn't sell very well, so I have it as $2. Most likely tomorrow I'm going to sell this all for $1. Just to get rid of it, sell it for $1. Like I said, this is some of my Michael stuff that I got, but this stuff's been selling, you guys. Like, it's been selling pretty well. Tresemme, I'm pretty good at keeping it $2. A lot of people have been buying it at $2. The L'Oreal I have at $2. Not as much people are buying it at $2, which is totally fine. But I have also Herbal Essence, and nobody's even taken a stab at that. But that is okay, you guys. We will try it. I'm just seeing what other flavors I got left. Pantene for $1. This thing was completely filled to the brim. Got 3 left. Garnier still full. Again, I'll sell it for $1 tomorrow, and then I'll mix and match some of this stuff. But we will see. And then here I got a lot. This thing was completely full, and I got rid of a lot of stuff in here. So I might make some of this stuff like 50 cents, maybe possibly tomorrow. School supplies, I have sold quite a bit. Mostly were pens, and then this is my like little medicine thing, and that's all I have. I had tons of these Listerine things in here, and they've all sold. So that is awesome. So I am doing pretty well for, you know, what I've sold so far. I'm hoping I sell at least 50% more of this stuff tomorrow. Otherwise, if I don't, I'm going to definitely make a donate pile. I'm going to make a Goodwill pile, and we'll figure out one from there. But I'm pretty excited for what I'm selling, and if some of this stuff doesn't sell, I'll just wait to sell at my garage sale that I have in September, because a lot of people were asking me if I'm going to have another sale, and I said yes. So we got that going on. So I'm going to let you guys go now here, because I have to, I don't know, I got an hour left, but I have to just kind of just chill for a little bit longer. We're going to have dinner soon, and then hang out as a family, and then I'm going to start marking down prices. I might even do it right now. So I will catch you guys all tomorrow, and I'll let you know how fun our day is tomorrow.